Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Allison. If you are new, today I have been rambling about a lot of nonsense, and I decided to create a little easy but still elegant Valentine's Day look, which I did a little bit of a cut lid, as we're going to call it. Not a cut crease. You get it? You get it? LOL. Anywho, if you want to see how I created this look along with me just rambling about literally almost nothing, just keep on watching this video. And before you do that, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up for the terrible lighting that I kind of have, and subscribe to my channel while you're at it. Let's get on to the video. Thank you so much for being here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hola, me llamo Allison y bienvenido a mi canal. Hashtag hair for days.
Just kind of use the warm.
Love you, but multitasking like a motherfucker. It just don't work sometimes. You know what I'm saying? Welcome to Crazy Town. Population, me. I managed to put my hair up. I've eaten some oatmeal, and now I'm drinking some coffee. And if we're being really honest, it's not coffee. It's 3 espresso shots, a shot of gin, and some sweet cream because I'm a little beach. I've been using this really sparingly, so I'm just gonna keep doing it. If this turns into a voiceover, then I probably had too much coffee. So my February is a little claustrophobic, if you would say so. My lovely husband's birthday is on the 10th. Valentine's Day is the 14th. My son's birthday is the 22nd. There's something else that's important, I think, in between. Rodeo Cook-Off is in February in Houston. It's busy. And apparently it's busy with just a lot of partying. Valentine's Day. What I want to do is really kind of just want to be adorable and be like, I'm so cute. Oops, I forgot to make dinner. Oops. Take me here, take me now. Right? So I'm taking this brand new Wayne Goss brush that I'm trying to care about. I mean, she works really well right up in this area, so I used to do a lot of bartending in college and whatnot, so it's always entertaining to watch people be on bad dates, or, you know, just didn't want to be alone for Valentine's Day, so their blind date, whatever the situation may be. Oh boy. What, baby? You want this brush? This is from a failed Lucky Bag experience. Would you like to chew on it? This is my Lila B bronzer, and I've also been rocking the Face 2 Sonia G brush lately with this guy. I mean, it's just a flat brush, but like, look at this. Is that not the perfect size? And it's very much so like my Smith, but not as tapered as the Smith. So I've really been falling in love with this hoe. I love her. Like, oh, I love her. And I feel like I'm using a fat crayon, so oh, my hand doesn't cramp up. I'm gonna bring out another Sonia G. I'm gonna use this Duo Glow by Miss Denona. Her new blush palette is out today, and I'm just like, fuck, I want it, but then again, everyone hears you. We understand you know how to breathe. I'm gonna go see if she needs to go potty. What am I saying? I know she doesn't need to go potty. I know she wants to go outside and play. I am living for that gold. Oh, look at that. Oh, fucking yeah. That's what it's supposed to look like when you blend it into the skin and don't leave a stripe on your face. She's so nice, it looks like she has taste. Alright, me and her are gonna go play outside real quick, and then we're gonna continue on this escapade. Yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna do today at all. I'm gonna go in with this shade up here in my Inglot brush, and I'm just gonna stab. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. So anyway, this is just the basic blended eye. So this is what I've done. So I'm gonna thicken up the crease a little bit darker, but I did kind of a shadowing that kind of will blend into a little bit darker crease. And then I packed on, this is called Indian Gold by Natasha Denono. I think it's originally out of the 28 pan. It's the best thing I've ever put my fingers on. I had an Eggo, it was great. So I'm going with a angle brush, a tiny little angle brush. This one specifically is my favorita. It's a NARS 38 brush. I'm pretty sure I found this at TJ Maxx for like $5.99. Okay, so I went through and I did both eyes. Hold on, Yuki. So I did both eyes, so I did a little cut. Is that a cut crease? No, it's a cut lid, isn't it? And I packed that white gold. I love that white gold color. So it's kind of a subtle look. This is like a shimmery brown. It's called Filth by Melt on the upper and lower lash, and blended that hoe out. And now I'm just going to. This feels so lifted. I like it. Nice little subtle B-Day look. Da, 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 da. Okay. What kind of lippies should we do? I kept going back and forth, like, should I do like a red lip with this? I don't rock a red lip all the time. Should I go nude? What should I do? And so I just decided to do this. Cheers. This is the Lancome L'Absolute that lives in my purse. While I went to go get my mascara, I figured, why not? Ooh yeah. Pink lips for Valentine's Day. This is my final look with my little cut lid crease. Pink lip. My little B-Day card. Hey, how you doing, boo? You like this look? I like it too. Thank you guys so much for watching this rambly, nonsensical BS get ready with me Valentine's adorable look. I hope you like it. Please give me a thumbs up. My thumbs are inside of my sleeves for some jacked off reason. Please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like more bullshit like this. I'm gonna keep making bullshit like this, and I'll be right here, and I hope that you come back to see me again. Maybe it's that coffee bringing out all these little accents, because that's a little weird. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, toodaloo.